Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Loma local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of qualified movers will make sure your long-distance move goes smoothly. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the country, we are here to help you. The best moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. If you're looking for a general move or a full-service move, we provide all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary. Initially, a deeper look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you recognize why it's a smart decision. A good moving company can help you preserve time regardless of how far you're moving. It will also prevent you from having to take care of the heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move super simple. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. Even when your move is large enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Loma Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.